today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your Globoplay app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to your profile in this list here. So then all you have to do, just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Globoplay here, or just click here on search, then here add Globoplay. It's going to show for you here, sorry, it's going to show for you like this here, Globoplay. Just click on it, so that it's going to take you to next step here. Just waiting to open with you like this. Click here on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, it start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.